Hello students, welcome to the class. Now before I show you what we are going to do today, let me give you a reminder as I always do to tell me that I hope you are following my classroom rule. That is the most important and it's speak in English. Now let me show what we are going to do today. First, from chapter 3rd, we are going to do glossary. As explanation is done, now glossary which is on page number 23rd, first we will do that. And then we will discuss new words which will be followed with their meanings. And then I am going to also discuss question answers and the last is assignment. And then we are going to sum up. Now let us see the glossary words. Justice. What is the meaning of it? The act of being fair and right. So who gave justice here to the old woman? It was King Vikramaditya. He gave justice to the old woman. Next, laborers. People who work hard. Here, the people who were working hard and those who made a palace. So those people are called laborers. Next, minister. It's an important officer. Late. Now here is written, yes, H-E-R-E. That means meaning of late in this chapter is a person who is no more. Late husband, right? So the old woman was talking about her late husband who is no more. That means he was dead. Next, precious. That means in Hindi we say kimti, very valuable. So for the old woman, the hut was very precious. Now let's see the next. Now here goes the new words. Chapter 3rd, the kind-hearted king. In the same way, you have to write, students. Note down, see how I have written the date, chapter name in the same way. Now let me discuss the meanings also. Justice, as we have discussed already. Now second is kingdom. K-I-N-G-D-O-M. What's the meaning of kingdom? It's a territory ruled by a king. Next, praise. P-R-A-I-S-E. Meaning of praise? The expression of respect. Next, laborer. L-A-B-O-U-R-E-R. Laborer. Next, marvelous. M-A-R-V-E-L-L-O-U-S. Marvelous means very beautiful. Next, beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. Beauty. Next, receive. R-E-C-E-I-V-E. Receive. What's the meaning of receive here? Receive means to take. Here, the old woman was not ready to receive the offer. Yes, she was ready to receive any punishment. So, receive means to take. Next, punishment. P-U-N-I-S-H-M-E-N-T. Punishment. Next, accept. A-C-C-E-P-T. Accept means to say yes. Here, the old woman was not ready to accept any offer given by the minister. Next, generous. G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. Generous means very nice, very good at heart. Next, spoil. S-P-O-I-L. Spoil means destroy. Last is precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Precious. Now, let's discuss the question answers also. In the same way, after writing the new words, leave a line and then write first, answer the following questions. A. What was King Vikramaditya known for? Answer. King Vikramaditya was known for his justice and kindness. As I said you, what is the meaning of justice? That means to always take the correct decisions, right decisions for his people, and kindness. Next. Next. Where did King Vikramaditya plan to build a palace? Answer. King Vikramaditya planned, Planned, planned to build a palace on the banks of a river. What's the meaning of banks of a river? It is a land alongside a body of water. So there he wanted to build his palace. Next, who decided to take a final look at the palace? Final look means before showing to the king, who decided that let me see how the palace is looking like. So it was the minister decided to take a final look at the palace. Next. D1. Why was the minister shocked? Now, if students, if you understood the chapter, you should know this answer. You can also do that. Once you see the question, try to say the answer by your own and then see what I have written. Answer is, the minister was shocked because he saw a hut in front of the palace. And the last, whom did the hut belong to? It's very easy. The answer is, the hut belonged to an old woman. Next. Here goes your assignment. Time limit is 10 minutes, so you should not take more than 10 minutes to complete this assignment. What is your assignment? Chapter 3rd. Complete the new words and question answers, A to E. Just now what we have discussed. The same you have to write in your E1 notebook. And students, make sure you write in very good handwriting. Here we end our today's class.